We are in Sevier County, Tennessee, which is why it's so great with a view like this that it incorporates a prow wall. What's great about a prow wall is it gives you a panoramic effect, being that it projects beyond the ordinary living space of the house. Being at a higher elevation gives us more exposure to UV. And adding on to that, this is a southern exposure, which is why it was important for us to design these windows with Pella's sun defense glass. It makes for a more comfortable living environment in this space. It's also so much easier on the mechanicals. Now this is an impressive wall. These are Pella Lifestyles windows, and there's a pre-finished color applied to these wood units, and it has a cladding on the exterior, maintenance-free cladding. You'll see that as we do that exterior walk around. But look at how great these blend together with the stain that was used in this house. What a warm and rich color that was applied to all of these logs. Everything blends so well together. And then when you have the different planes of the logs and the timber trusses above us, it adds more shadow and dimension, which darkens certain areas, giving us a really good contrast. This is an impressive chase with a 45-inch double door Montgomery Hearthstone unit. That is a sealed door unit, and boy does it put out heat. The homeowners were telling us they get extreme conditions in this area. We are high atop a mountain, incredibly heavy winds, and they said that when it's storming outside, you don't even hear it. That is how quiet this home is. Part of that is because these are incredible windows. And another important key factor is this is a full log home. Just think about how dense these walls are. Now take a look at what's been done with these mortise and tenon timber trusses above. This pulls in timber framing construction, a great hybrid of construction methods that we see in our homes, because at Golden Eagle, nearly anything is possible. Here's what I love about these authentic timber frame trusses. We're able to achieve these great spans. This is 24 feet all the way across this room. And there are no mechanical fasteners being used. Not a single screw. Can you believe that? So these are all joined together with mortise and tenon joints, and then there are dowels securing them together. That is incredible. These timber trusses, as well as these vertical beams like what we see here, this is our hand-hewn texture. It's so unique to Golden Eagle. What I love about it is the way that it picks up different shadows as well as the stained pigment. It offers a really good contrast. And then it highlights the knots that we see here. Now, if you're new to Golden Eagle, you should know that we also have more finishes available, from chisel to even smooth. Now just imagine if we change these trusses from hand-hewn to smooth. It completely changes the aesthetic. On other feature homes, we've even taken it a step further and painted those trusses. It gives it much more of a modern and contemporary aesthetic. Timber trusses are a great way to designate space. In this case, we're designating the great room, and we also see it done over here in the dining room. Another great way to designate space is to transition the wall finish, which is what was done here.